Hi, I'm Gena Merliss, and I'm going to be leading Developing Reflective Practitioners. The workshop is designed for faculty developers. That can be a whole range of people. It could be people who lead faculty development centers, but it could also be faculty and staff who participate in faculty development. We know from the research that sustained professional learning is more effective than a one-time event. But the question is, how do we get faculty to keep coming back for more professional development opportunities? So the key is how we design the learning experiences to feel safe, but not so safe that no learning happens, but instead that we can create spaces where faculty feel safe taking risks, being vulnerable. Both of those things are really important to learning. And so now with COVID, we have this really unique opportunity to engage faculty because everyone is learning again and nobody feels like they've mastered their teaching because they're all in a new setting. Pandemic brings up a whole lot of different issues. So this two-part workshop will help faculty developers design effective learning experiences for faculty and then facilitate collegial conversations that advance teaching towards educational equity. So there are a couple of key takeaways from this workshop. One is that participants will learn how to scaffold activities to build trust and also invite risk-taking. Something else is that they'll learn how to structure conversations using protocols, which are designed to reduce anxiety, maintain focus on what the goal is, and also allow for equitable participation of all of the participants. And while learning the content in this workshop, participants will experience actually what it feels like to participate in the activities, and then they'll have time to reflect on what that experience was like for them and how they would adapt it to their own context with their own people. I've taught developmental math and English at Monroe Community College in Rochester, New York, and now I lead our Faculty Development Center. But prior to that, I taught middle and high school math and science in progressive schools where faculty spent a lot of time collaborating and talking about teaching using the SRI critical friendship model. And at the community college level, I found that those structured conversations about teaching practice, that those were the most useful forms of professional learning that I had in my own teaching, because I was engaged with others who also had a stake in my community and in my students. When we were working together to improve all of our teaching, that really provided the highest level of accountability for my work and their work, and it really made me feel like I was a part of something. So that's why I'm interested in sharing, like, how do you set up those conversations? My favorite thing to hear from faculty who've been involved in groups that I've led is that being a part of that reflective professional learning community, they would arrive feeling exhausted and they would leave feeling really energized. So I think that it's a really powerful method of professional development that we could all be doing at our institutions.